Hi guys, welcome to our channel Gratefully. Today we're gonna see the quick unboxing of Bosch pressure washer, which is model number is AQT33-11 Aquatak, and this is the box, which is I got it from Amazon for 8,445 rupees. This is the billing. There is nothing much special on the boxes and all. Here some quick specification and all, and the advantage features of this particular product is given. And here is also there is nothing much special. And let's unbox it. Let's remove the bills and all. This good package, good packing by Amazon for this particular product. You can see here the bill, the rupees is 8,445 rupees, and that's it. And this is the box. Here you can see one main specification, 110 bar and design award 2015. That's an all. And here some, the original rate is 14,660. Okay, let's unbox it. Here you can see some accessories, we can connect it. These are the accessories we can connect with this device. The rotary nozzle, wash brush, 90-degree nozzle, the suction nozzle, drain cleaner, such type of things and all we can connect it there. And here the installation procedure which is given, and here in the box itself. And here some accessories of this machine is here. This is the tube, this is the water tube. We can connect it with that spindle. Here this is the spindle, the gun, the spray gun, and here some holding handle. And this is the container for that soap oil. You can use any oils or shampoo or anything like that. This is the manual, and yeah, here's the main part of this, that spindle, I mean that gun. And here's some accessories and all provided. This finally here is the particular machine, Bosch AQT33-11, and this is the box, that machine, I think, which consists inside that propeller which gives that power for water to pressurize. And here some other three things and all here given. You can see here there's some mountings, accessories of this particular machine. And guys, this is the accessories, and this is the machine, Bosch pressure washer AQT33-11, which you can see in Amazon. This is the machine and its accessories. This is a clear picture. And here I'm not much familiar with this particular machine. Here I think we have to connect the inlet. Here the water goes inside of the machine, and this is the regulator, speed regulator or water jet regulator. And this is the power cord. This is a high power cord. Okay. And here the water outlet. You have to connect the hose here, and you can use this clip to adjust or connect it. And there is nothing much special on this particular machine. And I have to connect it as well. And okay, I will come with another video of that particular assembling and even the working of this pressure washer, Bosch pressure washer. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please comment, like, share, and support our channel. This is from your Getfully. Thank you.